ഇന്നിവിടെ പറയുന്നത് ഫോറിൻ കോർപ്പറേഷൻ്റെ ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആയ 100 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനും അതിൻ്റെ ആൻസറുമാണ്. പിന്നെ ഈ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇഷ്ടമായ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരെല്ലാവരും ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് കൂടി ചെയ്യുക. എന്നാൽ മാത്രമേ ദിവസവും ഇടുന്ന ക്ലാസ്സുകൾ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷനായി കിട്ടുകയുള്ളൂ. Question number 1. Without a boundary fund introduced by? Answer seed. Question number 2. Homeland of industrial cooperatives. Answer China. Question number 3. In Denmark, sales was affected through a central society is called? Answer DAG. In Denmark, sales affected through a central society is called DAG. Question number 4. Active price policy firstly introduced by? Answer SEED. Active price policy firstly introduced by SEED. Question number 5. Who was the founder of Foch High School? Answer NFS Godwin. Question number 6. Dash is called Cattle Breeding Society in Denmark. Answer Wool Clubs. Question number 7. Nordic is a cooperative society in Dash. Answer Denmark. Nordic is a cooperative society in Denmark. Question number 8. FCU is a cooperative of Dash. Answer China. Question number 9. Dash was a research study done by a cooperative specialist of Sweden about the value and the principles of cooperation. Answer Seven-Act Book. Question number 10. The first village bank established by Raffeson was in the year? Answer 1862. Question number 11. Which was a local name of agriculture cooperative China? Answer Chinese Commune. Question number 12. Who is called Japan Gandhi? Answer Toiko Kahawa. Question number 13. In which year cooperative enterprises law in Japan? Answer 1948. Question number 14. The Big Farmers Society in Germany were organized by Dash. Answer Dr. Haas. Big Farmers Society in Germany were organized by Dr. Haas. Question number 15. Who developed the cream separator machine? Answer L.C. Nelson. In 1878 developed ചെയ്തത്. Question number 16. Who established Dairy Society in Denmark? Answer Stilling Anderson. Question number 17. The origin of Labour Contract Society is Dash. Answer Italy. Question number 18. Dash is a voluntary association of members in USSR. Answer collective farming. Question number 19. Price fixing agency related to Dash. Answer SEED. Question number 20. Departmental store in Sweden called? Answer DMOS. Question number 21. The Danish Egg Export Society was formed in the year? Answer 1895. Question number 22. Dash are based on the social ownership of means of production in USSR. Answer: kolkhoz. Question number 23. Who nicknamed as a provisions of Parsa? Answer: H.C. Zone. Question number 24. Rochdale Weavers Union organized by? Answer: Charles Aurath. Question number 25. The trade name of dairy products in Denmark. Answer: Labrand. Question number 26. Dairy farm of Europe. Answer: Denmark. Question number 27. In dash Rochdale Pioneers lays down the certain basic principles of cooperation. Answer: 1860. Question number 28. Which was the National Federation of Fisheries? Answer: Century. Question number 29. In which year Japan Cooperative Law enacted? Answer: 1900. Question number 30. Birthplace of Land Mortgage Bank. Answer: Germany. 31. Cooperative Union in Japan was formed in the year. Answer: 1905. 32. In which year Hypotheka Bank of Japan was established? Answer: 1896. 33. Granges is a cooperative business started by? Hudson Kelly. 34. Who was the father of cooperative movement in USA? Hudson Kelly. Question number 35. Who is the father of cooperative movement in Canada? Alphonse Desjardins. 36. After England, Dash is the second country achieved the success in consumer cooperative movement. Sweden. Question number 37. Which is a trademark of milk product in Denmark? Labrand. Question number 38. Dash is called cattle breeding society in Denmark. Answer: Wool Clubs. Question number 39. Ombudsman scheme first introduced by? Answer: Seed. Number 40. Dairy society in Sweden is called? Answer: Fusion. Question number 41. Largest consumer society in the world? Answer: Stockholm Consumer Society. Question number 42. Who was the founder of Folk High School? Answer: NFS Gadri. Question number 43. Better farming, better business and better living is a famous quote concluded from Horace Plunkett. Question number 44. USA cooperative movement is originated as? Agricultural cooperatives. US-ലെ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ് മൂവ്മെന്റ് സ്റ്റാർട്ട് ചെയ്തത് അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ കോപ്പറേറ്റീവ്സ് ആണെങ്കിലും ഏറ്റവും കൂടുതൽ ഫേമസ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് മാർക്കറ്റ് സൊസൈറ്റികളാണ്. അത് രണ്ടും കൂടി കൺഫ്യൂഷൻ ആവരുത് കേട്ടോ. Question number 45. Which was the earliest form of cooperative organization in USA? The Bees.
Question number 46. Linking credit with marketing. Introduced in dash. Answer Japan. 47. Shanghai National Cooperative Bank started in Japan. Answer 1990. 48. Collective farm in Russia. Answer kolkhoz. Question number 49. In which year the Agricultural Cooperative Association law passes in Japan? The 1947. Question number 50. Dairy cooperative in Denmark has dash structure. It's a federal. Cooperative Insurance Society in Denmark called Alka. 52. Who is the father of Chinese cooperation? Sun Yat-sen. Question number 53. Guerrilla Industrial Cooperative Society associated with China. 54. In which year cooperative movement started in China? 1912. 55. National Federation of Agriculture Cooperative in Japan. SENOC. 56. Dr. Bono is well-known dash cooperator. Swedish. 57. Modern Credit Association in Japan is Hokutokusha. 58. Homeland of Agriculture Corporation, Denmark. 59. In which year consumer cooperative movement started in Japan? 1879. 60. Elder Citizen Cooperative formed in Answer Japan. Question number 61. Who is a cashier of Rochdale Society? Answer William Cooper. Question number 62. The first secretary of Rochdale Pioneers was? Answer James Daly. Question number 63. First president of Rochdale Equitable Pioneer Societies was? Answer Charles Haworth. Question number 64. Multi-purpose societies or polyvalent society, one of the special contribution of dash. Answer Japan. Question number 65. Who organized the Poor People Committee? Answer Rafizi. Question number 66. Dash who started a mutual aid society in France? Answer Leclerc. Question number 67. Dash is the first Asian country started a cooperative movement? Answer Japan. Question number 68. Each for all and all for each is quoted by? Answer Rafizi. Question number 69. The milk products of Bangladesh cooperatives? Answer Milkvita. Question number 70. The name of first society started by Jefferson in 1862 was dash. Answer, Village Society. Question number 71. In their societies, the surplus funds were not distributed as dividend but kept as reserves. Answer, Jefferson societies. Question number 72. Rochdale Equitable Pioneer Societies was registered under dash. Answer, Friendly Societies Act 1793. Question number 73. Owen did not invent cooperation, but he was an inspiration for the cooperative movement. Who said this? Answer, C.F. Frey. Question number 74. A Century of Cooperation in Rochdale is a book written by dash. Answer, Henry Brown. Question number 75. Wheat pools associated with dash. Answer, Canada. Question number 76. The famous book Noblesse Oblige published by. Answer, Horace Plunkett. Question number 76. Irish homestead started by. Answer, Horace Plunkett. Question number 78. Ireland in New Century. The book published by. Answer, Horace Plunkett. Question number 79. Which is a cooperative housing society in Canada? Answer, CHF. Question number 80. In which year Cooperative Societies Act formed in USA? Answer, 1865. Question number 81. Headquarters of Histadrut is at. Answer, Tel Aviv. Question number 82. IAOS means. Answer, Irish Agricultural Organization Society. Question number 83. IAOS organization founded by. Answer, Horace Plunkett. Question number 84. Health cooperative movement in USA started in. Answer, 1929. Question number 85. Revolving credit system is related to dash. Answer, Canada. Question number 86. Which was the first land mortgage bank in Germany? Answer, Silesian Landschaft. Question number 87. V is a publication of dash. Answer, Carefin Seeder. Question number 88. The Rochdale Friendly Societies was formed in. Answer, 1830. Question number 89. The Agriculture Syndicate is a typical cooperative institution in. Answer, France. Question number 90. No profit, no competition, no money is the related to. Answer, Robert Owen. Question number 91. The cooperative book and factories of Denmark having their own marketing organization known as Danish Book and Cooperative Limited, which was situated in. Answer, England. Question number 92. The name of Central Organization of Israel Labor Association. Answer Histadrut. Question number 93. Principles of Environment is the book written by. Answer Robert Owen. Principles of Environment is the book written by Robert Owen. Question number 94. Robert Owen started a new harmony in the year. Answer 1826. Robert Owen started a new harmony in the year 1826. Question number 95. In 1821, Robert Owen uses the word cooperative society in the magazine. Answer The Economist. Question number 96. No competition, no money, no profit is a motto of. Answer Labor Exchange. No competition, no money, no profit is a motto of Labor Exchange. Question number 97. Where is the birthplace of the Housing Society? Answer England. Housing Societyയുടെയും കൺസ്യൂമർ സൊസൈറ്റിയുടെയും birthplace എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഇംഗ്ലണ്ടാണ്. Question number 98. Which country passes a corn law? Answer Britain. Question number 99. Wholesale consumer cooperative movement in England related to. Answer E.V. Neal. Question number 100. In which year is known as Hungary 40s? Answer 1840.